Hello and what's up? Welcome back to the another video of Crick Bliss. And today we are talking about yet another update of Champions Trophy and the major two updates that are not in the favor of Indian cricket team for the Champions Trophy. Let's talk about it in the video. So the first major update about the ICC Champions Trophy is Jasprit Bumrah has been ruled out from this Champions Trophy due to back injury. We had the history of Jasprit Bumrah's back injury back in 2022 T20I World Cup where he didn't played a single game in the T20 World Cup and the history repeated itself, and we are not able to see Jasprit Bumrah in this squad in this Champions Trophy, and due to lower back issues Jasprit Bumrah is going to miss out a very major yet a very important project, a very important title for this Indian cricket team, because we don't know what we are seeing next after this Champions Trophy. What's the squad formation for ODI team? The other thing that is not in the favor of us is, guys, Yashasvi Jaiswal has been replaced by Varun Chakravarti, but the advantage in this squad has been actually refined and purified by the players, because we have a strong batting lineup followed by Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli. Number 4, I guess the permanent number 4 for the upcoming years, Shreyas Iyer. He is actually an exceptional yet the potential batsman to actually get grip on the middle order position, because we all know that middle order is the most crucial order for the Indian cricket team from past few years, and he is a strong backbone of this team as he can bat at number 4, at number 3 or at number 5. Right after Shreyas Iyer we got at number 5 maybe Akshar Patel, because he has actually uplifted his position from number 7 or number 8 to number 5 just because of a strong left-handed combination, and that is a good quality option, that is a good quality subjective point for the Indian cricket team to actually choose this option. Number 7 we can have KL Rahul as an option or Rishabh Pant. Both of them are necessary for the Indian cricket team. If we are going forward to KL Rahul, he has the more quality shots as compared to Rishabh Pant, but Rishabh Pant is a X factor in all aspects, whether be it test, whether be it T20Is or whether be it ODIs, because the intent of Rishabh Pant has never been compromised in the past few years. At number 6 we have fixed the position of KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant. At number 7 we are getting fast bowling all-rounder, that is Hardik Pandya. At number 8 we can have the option of Ravindra Jadeja, then Mohammad Shami, then I guess Arshdeep Singh, and then Kuldeep Yadav. This can be manipulated and modified afterwards in the Champions Trophy, but the core remains the same. So let's look at the other dynamics for the Indian cricket team in the Champions Trophy, because as we are in the third ODI that is going to happen by today at Ahmedabad Stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium, because as we all see, the coach Gautam Gambhir has actually selected Harshit Rana and Varun Chakravarti, or we can say Gautam Gambhir has nurtured Harshit Rana and Varun Chakravarti for the upcoming future matches. And as we all know, Harshit Rana is actually a good fast bowler. He has the length, he has the speed, and he is also inexperienced in the subcontinent, especially in the Arabian pitches. So we have to get concerned by Harshit Rana, because we have the option to actually open out with Arshdeep Singh or Mohammad Shami, but the form doesn't look good on Shami, and we have to practice on Shami as well. Talking about the Arshdeep Singh, that is the most quality and the most dependent player in terms of fast bowling, because he has all the experience, he has all the line and lengths, and we have to admit that Arshdeep Singh is going to be the future options for the ICC tournaments as well. We have 4 bowling options, that is Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh, Harshit Rana and Hardik Pandya, but we got 5 spinning options, leading with Ravindra Jadeja, then comes Varun Chakravarti, then comes Kuldeep Yadav, then comes Akshar Patel, that is the spin all-rounder, and then comes Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar haven't played any single match in this India versus England ODIs, and I don't know how well he is prepared for the ICC Champions Trophy. He has the fitness, he has the spin, but Rohit Sharma favors off spinners instead of leg spinners. But the spin dominance with the 5 spinners I am going to look after for Ravindra Jadeja, playing right from 2013 Champions Trophy paired up with Ravichandran Ashwin, whereas Kuldeep Yadav has good pairing option from Yuzvendra Chahal, that is the Kulcha duo, and then comes Varun Chakravarti, or we can say Akshar Patel, that is the newer generation bowlers. And yes, that is a very good point in this team, because we are seeing so much experience and so much potential in this team, and we are seeing 3 generational players right from 2013 to 2025, whereas Varun Chakravarti has depicted his performances in Vijay Hazare Trophy as well in India versus England T20I series, and he has done the job well. So yes, no questions for Varun Chakravarti, because we all know why he is being included in India versus England ODI series, because he need to prepare for the ODI format as well to get included in the ICC Champions Trophy. So yes, let's just go with this squad and prepare among ourselves to actually win this Champions Trophy with Rowe and Co combination. So yes, that is almost the review about the Champions Trophy squad. Thanks for watching this video and keep sharing with your friends. I know I have tried something unusual, something different from my other videos, but I just need your complete support for this video, for this Champions Trophy and for this perspective.